Today I'll be showing you guys how to set up a snapshot for a barbershop and a hair salon inside of GoHighLevel. And if you've never used GoHighLevel before, you can click on my 30-day free trial link in the bio. You're going to need a service calendar so that people can book in their own appointment, and you can also book people in, all tracked into GoHighLevel. We're going to need a website so it can be publicly visible and we can end the service calendar and have all the backend be connected to GoHighLevel. The pipeline so we can track exactly what stages the leads are in and where they're at, so we can move them and drag them ourselves or let it happen automatically. And then all the automations, so everything that happens in the front end, like the service calendar, the website, and the pipeline has automations in the back end. It's like text, review requests, and etc. So to jump right into GoHighLevel, the first thing you're going to want to do is make a sub account. So you guys can just come over here to sub accounts in the agency level, click create sub account, and just make the sub account. And then you're also going to want to come over to the sub account, click on the sub account, go to calendar settings, and turn on service calendar. And then you're going to want to actually click right here, and you're going to want to go over to the sub account. Now, if you guys want to set up the website really quickly with AI, you can come over to settings in the bottom left, go over to labs. You can click the search button and search up studio and just turn on AI Studio. Click go back, and boom, we have AI Studio right here. And from here, we can actually make a prompt and create an entire website in GoHighLevel. If you guys want to watch a detailed video of how to actually build a website in GoHighLevel, you can watch the video above, but instead we're just going to focus on the snapshot. Now, if we go over to calendars and we go over to calendar settings, the services calendar, I just made a very detailed how to build a service calendar for barbershops and hair salons video. You guys can click that right here. It should be on the top right if you guys want to go watch that. Make sure you have the service calendar built out or some type of booking page if you guys already have one. And you're also going to want to make sure you have the website built out. And then we're going to go into the full snapshots automation. So the very first thing we're going to want to do is come over to settings and actually add all of our staff right here. If you click my staff, you're going to want to add all your staff just by clicking add user. Go over here, type in their name, their last name, their exact email, and a password, and they can just log into an app on their phone called Lead Connector and have full access to everything they need depending on what you give them in roles and permissions. Then you're going to want to go over to calendar configuration, and it won't load for me because I didn't put someone's actual information, but it's going to show you a bunch of different calendars you connect. You're going to want to connect the staff's Google Calendar on this page. And then you can also come over to integrations, and you can come over and look up payments, and you can add whatever payments you want for the booking page or anything if you guys want to take payments online. Come over to contacts. You can come over to import, and you can actually take all your contacts from like a Google Sheet or a notes folder, and you can just add all your current contacts into the snapshot, into the CRM, and get those cooking. And you can also connect the Facebook, the Instagram, the WhatsApp, the TikTok. You can connect everywhere that you're getting messages so that all the messages actually show up in the conversations tab on GoHighLevel. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to come over to phone system, and in phone system, you're going to want to click the plus on the top right here, add number, and buy a phone number for $1. When you click buy the phone number, you click add phone number, and then you come over to filter. You can come over here and just type in the area you're from, come over to filter, and then you can put any first digit. So I'll just do 289, and you can make it the first part of any number. Apply, only gonna get 289 numbers in certain locations. Then you're going to want to also pick a number that is the actual location. So if I lived in Hamilton, I would pick this one. And then when you proceed to buy, it's going to ask you for your driver's license. You're just going to want to do that really quick. And this phone number is actually how it's going to send out all the automations. So you're going to want to make sure you have a phone number. And then if we go over to the conversation tab, you guys are going to see we're going to get messages from everything all here. So we have our emails, our text messages from that phone number we just bought, and we're going to have Facebook, Instagram, everything that we connected. Then you're going to want to come over to sites and then come over to forms, and you're going to want to click create form and make your very first form. This form can be called contact us. It's going to say full name, phone, email, and then let us know what you need. The GoHighLevel consent boxes. Come over to settings and make sure you click redirect to URL, and you're going to want the URL to redirect them directly to the booking page where they can actually book in. And you're going to want to turn sticky contact on and click save. And then also you're going to want to make this mobile fill out form, and this form is just going to be a lot shorter. It's just going to say full name, phone, email, and then you can also add address if you want. You don't have to, but we just have it set like this. Now this contact us form, you're going to want to go over to integrate, and you're going to want to go to embed code and copy the embed code and put this form on your website. You're also going to want to go over to the service calendar. If you go over to calendars right here, calendar settings, services, all sharing options, and get the embed code, and also add another page make sure this is a second step page so they can't just click to access this. Make sure they have to finish a contact form first and get redirected to access this page. But you want to copy this and also put it on the website. Now, once you have those two forms done, you're going to want to come over to opportunities and then come over to pipelines. And then you're going to want to click create a pipeline, or you can just use the default one. We're going to go over to that. We're going to have booking confirmed, service completed, feedback and review request, and then post-service follow-up, as well as reoccurring service scheduling, loyalty / nurture. Make sure you guys have all 5 of those. Then we'll come over to all these snapshot automations. So our first one is going to be canceled to reschedule. The trigger is service booking. Appointment status is the filter, canceled, and then it's going to send them a contact first name. Your appointment got canceled. Grab a new time here, and it's just going to send them the booking link that we created. And then also, if we go over to email, it says right here, no worries, let's get you rebooked. It says, hey, it looks like your appointment got canceled today. Totally fine, it happens. Whenever you're ready, grab a new time here that works for you. Then always have the booking page URL. See you in the chair soon, and then the company. We're going to click save, and we're going to make sure that's done. And then we have service confirmed automation. Right here, we have the first filter, which is confirmed, and the second filter, depending on the category. If it's a loyalty category, something different can happen. But this category, we just have the simple services. You guys can just do everything if you want. It's going to create or update the opportunity into the pipeline stage, booking confirmed. Then it's going to wait 45 minutes after the appointment. Right here, you can see wait service booking after, and then skip all outbound. And it's going to create another opportunity after that. Once the service is completed, it's going to move them into the service complete pipeline stage. Then it's going to send them an SMS after the service is complete. Joshua, lock in your next cut today and save $5. Refer a friend who books 2 and stack another $5 off. It's also getting them to refer somebody, and it's also sending them the booking page so they can go ahead and book their next cut 2 weeks ahead. Then we have the email right here. You're going to want to make sure you have the from name and from email selected. And then we have the subject as you just got a clean cut, lock in the next one today. And then we just have, hey Joshua, that fade is as clean as it's going to get. In a couple weeks, it won't be. Book your next cut today and we'll take $5 off. No need to remember later. No scrambling for a slot once it starts growing out. Refer someone who books their first cut with us and they get a $5 off. Refer to, stack $10 off. Then we have book your next cut, and then the booking page that they're going to send their friends. Then we have wait 15 days after. So this is 2 weeks after they get their cut. And it's going to be what type service booking before, skip all outbound. So 15 days after, if they didn't book the cut themselves, going to update them, and it's going to say post service follow up. So 15 days later, it's automatically going to push them. And then we have an SMS that sends out saying, hey Joshua, it's been about 2 weeks. That fade's starting to grow out. Get back in the chair before it does. And it pushes them to book again 2 weeks later. And then we have another one right here. It says your fade's about due for a refresh. And we have, hey Joshua, it's been about 2 weeks since your last cut, right around when that clean line starts turning into I need a cut. Get ahead of it. Booking takes less than a minute. Obviously, if you're a hair salon, you're going to want to customize this automation to be more tailored for a hair salon. You can just ask ChatGPT how to do that. Then for the last automation, we have the database reactivation. So pretty much how this works is a tag that gets added in the contacts tab. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then you go over to SMS and it says, hey Joshua, this is Trey Fades. We are doing 50% off all cuts this week and a deal ends Sunday. Feel free to book your discounted cut on the link below, and then boom, they can book in. Obviously, they get the discount when they show up. And then it says again right here, the exact same message as an email. And that's all the automations that we have. And all the reminder automations are going to be in the calendar. And if we go over to calendar settings and then services, global settings, notifications, these are all the reminder automations that are going to go out. So we have the appointment booked / confirmed. And pretty much what this is going to do is going to send the assigned user an email as soon as it's booked. And then it's also going to send an SMS to the contact saying, hey, your appointment is confirmed. And then there's also the cancellation. So if they want to cancel, it's going to send an SMS to both people. So we'll see, boom, the contact here. And it's going to send an SMS and an email. And then we have the reschedule. So if it gets rescheduled, same thing again. We have on email and on for SMS, and we have everything. And then the reminder, we have multiple reminders. Just for the email, we have the 1 hour before. You can click add more right here, and you can do 24 hours before. Depending on what you want to do, it's up to you. You can do SMS again here, and you can change it. You can have multiple for SMS. It's up to you guys. They're all going to send through that phone number you purchased. And you're going to want to just click save changes. And that's all the automations. And if you guys wanted to actually send out that database reactivation for the Google reviews to all your contacts, all you have to do is click right here. You can click somebody's name and then you can click select all, or you can only select certain people. And you click over here, add tags, and then you can just search for the tag database reactivation, and then action name reactivate 1, and then boom, you can add the tags, and then that reactivation is going to fire for all those contacts. And then what you're going to want to do if you're running Facebook ads is push them to the website that you created and make sure all of them go to the contact page on the website. And then once they fill out the contact page on the website, they get redirected to the booking page, and make sure you have the pixel that tracks it from the contact to the booking page, and make sure the contact page fires off as a submit application. And you can pretty much run your entire Facebook ad account to this entire creation with all the backend and the CRM automations done. And then if you're also posting content, you can come over to marketing, and then you can add all of your social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, literally everything. It's going to allow you to post from every single platform all in one place. So I can click right here, new post, create new post. And then I can click all the accounts. So boom, I'll select all the social media I want to post it on. So all short form content platforms, type in the caption that's going to be on all of them. And then boom, I can click right here, upload video, and upload a short form video that I created. And then I can add the follow-up comment for every single platform as well. And I can come over and post this as a reel on every platform. And then for the YouTube, I can post it as a short. And you can go right here and click allow users to comment, duet, stitch, and then you can just click post. And then from the post, you can actually click schedule the post, and you can schedule all your different content from here as well. And then if we come over to the AI agents, you can set up the conversation AI. I have another video on this on the top right. And then you can also customize your dashboard so you can track how much you made, how much value you lost, all the different stages and everything like that. And if you want a professional service booking marketer to come into your business and generate your leads for you, track all the stages they're in to get them to automatically book themselves into your service calendar, and then also set up the entire CRM perfectly so you're not missing out on any leads, then also create your website completely tailored and build this entire system for you, you can book a discovery call with me in the description. And on that discovery call, I'm going to give you tons of free tips and advice and point out all the problems in your business that you can fix, and also see if I can help you out in the long run and see if we can work together. And again, if you've never used GoHighLevel before, you can click on my 30-day free trial link in the bio and get started. Anyways, I love you guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you did get some value, you can click the like button and subscribe button. It helps out the channel get bigger and helps more people get tips just like you did. I hope you guys make tons of money.